How to get the best Eldorado GG discount promo codes. Eldorado GG is one of the most popular marketplaces for gift cards, accounts, and in-game items. But why pay full price when you can save with promo codes? Today, I'll show you how to find the best verified discounts, avoid scams, and stack savings for maximum value. The most reliable source right now is Coupon Birds. They have a verified 5% off code for March 2026 used by thousands of buyers. Always check the verification date. This ensures the code is active and not expired. Next, use gg.deals. Even if no live codes are available, gg.deals tracks expired and upcoming vouchers. This helps you spot patterns like when eldorado.gg tends to release seasonal discounts and compare prices across marketplaces to make sure you're not just saving with the code but also getting the lowest base price. Eldorado GG itself sometimes posts discount codes through its community page or newsletters. These usually appear around major gaming events like Steam sales, holidays, or new game releases. If you're active in the community, you'll catch these limited time offers before they disappear. Here's where you maximize savings. Stack promo codes with discounted gift cards. Eldorado GG often sell cards for Roblox, PlayStation, and Steam at reduced rates. Apply a verified promo code on the top of these deals and you're saving twice. Be careful. Many coupon sites list expired or fake codes, whereas some ask for personal info. So stick to trusted sources like Coupon Birds and gg.deals. And remember, if a code promises huge discounts like 50% off, everything is almost always a scam. And that is how to get the best Eldorado GG discount promo codes.